Go ahead, buddy. Show us what you're gonna do.
So do you push this down first?
Tell me first what you're gonna do. Tell me what you have.
Yeah, this is a 9 caliber. I think I either push this out or I put this little lever. It might be hard to see.
This is a Ruger 9mm.
Yeah.
And we took it apart and we cleaned it, and he wants to take it apart by himself with a little bit of help.
So.
Okay, what's the first step? I pulled the hammer back, right?
Yeah.
So what's the first step?
Either...
Yep, you got to pull that part. Yep, you got to push that through, right? So there's a little lever right there you got to push through, right?
I think this might help.
Okay, show me what you're doing.
This is tough.
Let me help you out, or you got it?
I think it got it.
Not quite? Okay, let me help you out here. Okay, hold the phone for me. Switch it around. Film me. So put it at the camera. So I'm going to push this in real good, right? So sometimes if you can't do it with your finger, you can use a little tool. Push it through. Oh wow, that is a good one. How come it's in there so good?
Yeah.
Maybe we need to lube that up a little bit here. There it goes.
You might hear some sound, but it's just Matthew watching his movie.
Alright, here. So, I'll leave it back to there. I'll film you.
Okay. I think now we put the lever
That's
down,
correct.
Right?
Yep, we put the lever down.
There we go. And
so this is the hard part, right? So you can do it.
Do it down slowly?
Yep, do it down slowly.
If it goes fast?
It's okay if it falls off. I won't be mad. You can do it.
I'm scared.
I know, it's okay.
Can you help me?
Sure.
I'm scared.
So what we're going to do...
I'm going to push it down.
Push it down. Well, let me get a good grip. There we go. Okay, let me get the film. Okay, hold on. Alright, so it's down. So now what do? You
push this up?
Nope, other way. Just pour it forward. There you go.
And now I think we put this out.
Mm-hmm.
Now here comes...
Oh, put it on the fiber so it doesn't roll all over the place.
I caught it with my knees.
Okay.
And I think there you go. Here's all the parts. I think that's all.
That's it?
Yep.
A 6-year-old can do it.
Now I'm going to put it back together.
Okay, that's the first step.
So it's like you kind of do it in reverse.
Yep, very good.
Don't make it too.
Okay, what's next? Very good.
Like this metal part goes here.
Yep.
Push this. Get it to the moon.
Very good.
You might be thinking of the white moon, but it's not. It's just the moon beside the gun. Then I think it goes like this.
Very good.
And then I cock it.
Yep, get the cock back. This work. You got to get the hammer to stay. Here, let me help you out, okay?
Okay.
Whoa. I'm not a very good filmer, so let's put it back so it stays.
And now you gotta kind of put this lever.
Very good.
Up.
Put the lever down. Yep, very good.
And kind of push this in.
Yep. get it in there? Don't bend it too hard. Just get to make sure it fits in there real good. Is it in there good? There you go.
There we go.
Can you get it in there good? Very good. Now what? Yep. Now you can push the hammer again.
Down
Yep.
slow.
Yep. Just fast. You can do it fast now because you put the lever down, so you can do it.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, point it to the floor and pull the trigger.
Boo.
Very good. Okay, go ahead and put the clip in.
What clip? Oh yeah, that clip.
So there's no bullets in the clip. Very good.
And this is the gun.
Good job.
But never put your finger on, even though it has no bullets.
That's right.
Because there might be one.
That's right.
You just don't know it.